How to show all product categories on Wix website 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we are going to be doing is we are going to go ahead and see to it on how you can show all of your product categories on the Wix website in the most easiest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, okay? So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and sign up with your basic Wix page over here. Now, once you've signed up and everything is good to go, what we are going to do from there, we're going to go ahead and get over here where it's going to be telling us the collections category. Now, it's only going to be telling us the collections if we have portfolios. Now, if you don't have portfolios in your page, it will not give you the collections. So I'm going to be telling you how you're going to add portfolios, and then I'm going to be telling you how you can make, actual categories of those portfolios for yourself. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. And I'm going to be walking you through all of it. So yeah, just stick along through the end. Now, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to want to design a site with the proper editings and the proper textings and the proper outlook of how a page should be, right? Now, once we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Design Site and go to our Site Designer, all right? So once our Site Designer loads in, from there, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go over to your Store Manager. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Now, as I stated, once this stuff loads up, you get into the actual Site Designer, which is pretty fun to get around. So here we have the actual Site Designer over here. Down here, you are pretty sure to see, your store manager, you have your CSS, My Business, etc., and, all the other places that you can go into. But what we're going to do is we're going to come to Wix Portfolio where you can actually manage your product categories for yourself. So here you can actually design your own online shop by creating these categories, and it creates a really good general, sectioning in your page, and it's a good idea to add for yourself. Now, as I stated, once you're over here, simply go over and click on Add New Project. Now, once you click on Add New Project from here, what we're going to want to do is we are going to load things in where it says give me your project and give your project a title. So obviously you can go ahead and give it a title real quick. Now, the title you choose needs to be directly affiliated with whatever your product is. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to write, let's say I'm going to go with clothes. I'm just going to write clothes over here right now. The description, you can give any description, give it basic info with keywords, link it with keywords, then you have project media, and that's the main thing that you want. So I'm going to click on upload from your computer. I'm going to go to my downloads where I have a lot of products that I want to add. So I have these, there I have this, and I'm going to scroll down because I'm pretty sure I have a lot more. I'm just going to add a lot of media for myself. Once you do that, you're going to click on open, and as you can see, it starts uploading these things. Now, once the media is uploaded, what you're going to do is you're going to click on done, and once you click on done, you are going to go ahead and click on save and close, okay? So I'm just going to wait for that to be done. There we go. We're going to come down here and choose save and close, and we are good to go. And once we are good to go, as you can see, the projects and everything is set up. Everything looks nice. Everything looks cool. You're going to choose the projects that you want to add, okay? You can actually edit different projects for yourself. You can add in different clothes, have different project medias and all, and a whole lot more. So we've basically added a project. Now, what we're going to do once we've created that category, how are you going to, paste that category onto your actual store? How do you plan on, adding a whole, portfolio into your actual store of categories? So don't worry, it's pretty simple to do that. And I'm going to walk you through on how you're going to do it. Now, first of all, I'm going to take you to the actual portfolio page where I technically created this category. So here we are on the portfolio page. And as you can see, I've created a lot of categories of my portfolios over here. So if someone was to click on this portfolio, like let's say I'm going to go on preview and, someone comes here and clicks on my portfolio, they're going to go to my new picks portfolio where they're going to go into this project. And once they go into this project, they're going to see tons and tons of pics that I've added from myself. Okay. So that's the general idea of it. Now, once you get your head around all of that, from there, what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to go ahead and get a common general idea of how you're going to add this. So to add this, as I stated before, as I stated previously, you're simply going to be going ahead and, going into add elements. Once you go into add elements, you have your portfolio over here where you can actually add a whole budget of items and, elements, or you can go into your actual app market. And once you go to your app market, here you could just write portfolio. Okay, and you have your Wix portfolio over here, and you can just click on open from the dashboard. And once you click on open, it's going to give you the options to, add your own portfolio. So you can click on manage projects. Once you click on manage projects, you can choose whatever project you want to add. So let's say I want to add clothes. Okay. And once we add clothes, once we do that, we're pretty much set to go from there. So you can even go into clothes. You can choose if you want to save this into the actual collection. And yeah, that should be good to go. So here you have collections. You're going to click on plus over here, and you can import things into this actual collection by managing the projects. Okay, you can add this over here. I'm going to click on continue. There we go. I'm going to click on save, and there you go. Now you actually created a collection, and that collection is, there you go. It's added into your actual page. So that is how you're going to be managing product categories in your Wix store in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video because, if you did, I would really appreciate if you drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And again, if I were to walk you through it all in like, a summarized version, simply what you are going to be doing is you're going to go ahead to your Wix dashboard. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, from there, you are going to go to design a site. As you come to design a site, from there, you're going to do what I said. Actually, you're actually going to go ahead and design a site for yourself. Once you design a site for yourself, go into the portfolios from the app market, create a portfolio, add a project into it. In that project, add, your concert images that you want to add. And once you've added those, you're pretty much set to go. So that is basically how you are going to be, showing all product categories on Wix. So that's pretty much about it for this video. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. And I hope to see all of you in the next video. Have a nice day, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.